Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and healthy. I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today in this video, I'm going to start next chapter of your GK book, that is Sports They Play. So what exactly we are going to discuss today? So we will discuss about some of the sport persons who are also known as legends. So what does this legend word means? Legend means famous person of the society, well-known person of the society. So we are going to discuss some of the sport persons who are also known as legends because they have won honor or prestige in the respective sports they have played. So let us meet some of these legends. So in your book some questions are given and you have to tell the correct answers of every question. Look at the screen everyone. Chapter number 7, Sports They Play. Which sports are these legendary sport persons associated with? That means in this chapter what you are to tell that which person is associated with which sport. So Muhammad Ali is associated with
Boxing.
we will talk about Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali was an American professional boxer and also he was the first fighter to win world's heavyweight championship. Not only this, he was considered to be the one of the greatest boxer in the history. And more important fact about Muhammad Ali was he was an social activist too. He was a social activist too. So what is social activist here? Social means relating to the society. Social means Samajwadi, relating to the society. And here the word activist. Activist means anyone who is fighting for change in the society. Social activist means any person who works to bring the change in the society, who work for the welfare of the society. So Muhammad Ali was an American professional boxer, greatest boxer in the history. He was also first fighter to win the world heavyweight championship. Along with that, he was a social activist. Next is Don Bradman. Don Bradman is associated with cricket sports. He is associated with cricket sports. So full name of Don Bradman is Donald George Bradman. Donald George Bradman, and he was an Australian cricketer, and also he was one of the greatest cricket batsmen of all the time. Says Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan is associated with basketball sports. He is associated with basketball sports. So full name of Michael Jordan is Michael Jeffrey Jordan. His full name is Michael Jeffrey Jordan, and he is an American businessman. Along with that, he is also an American professional basketball player. And not only this, he is also considered to be the popular basketball player in the world. And also important fact about Michael Jordan is that not only this, he made his teammates, the member of his teams, also a better player. So which sport does he play? He plays basketball. So next is Martina Navratilova. She is associated with tennis sports. Okay, that means which sport does she play? She plays tennis. Okay, so Martina Navratilova is an American tennis player, and also she is a famous coach too. Coach means a person who trains other person. So famous tennis player, along with that a famous coach too. And at the age of 8, when she was 8 years old, means at the age of 8, she ranked number 1 in tennis tournament. Not only this, Martina Navratilova is considered to be one of the best female in tennis sports. And also fact about Martina Navratilova is that she is a left-handed player. Left-handed means a person who plays with left hand. So she plays with left hand and also considered to be the one of the best female in tennis sports. Is Carl Lewis. Carl Lewis is associated with athletics sports. So first we will understand the term athlete. Athlete means any person who is good at or trained at games. Which games? The games which require physical skills and strength. So he is associated with athletic sports. So now we will understand about something about Carl Lewis. The full name of Carl Lewis is Frederick Carlton Lewis. Frederick Carlton Lewis. And he is considered to be the few athletics who won 9 gold medals during his Olympic career. Means he is the person who won 9 gold medals during his Olympic career. And after taking retirement, means after withdrawing from athletic sport, he became an actor also. Next is Pele. Pele, his real name was Edson Arantes do Nascimento. So which sports he is associated with? He is associated with football. Pele is associated with football, and the real name of Pele is Edson Arantes do Nascimento. Okay, but the world knew this Brazilian footballer as Pele. And also he is known with other names also. Like he is known by the name Footballer of the Century. Okay, and also Athlete of the Century. So which sports does he play? He plays football. Next is Wilma Rudolph. Wilma Rudolph is associated with athletics. Athletics, as I told you, means athlete means any person who is good at games which require the physical skills and strength. So Wilma Rudolph loved to run on the track and field. So if we talk about Wilma Rudolph, so Wilma Rudolph was diagnosed with polio. What is diagnosed? Diagnosed means the act of recognizing, analyzing or identifying, you can say, a disease. So she was suffering from a polio disease and being unable to walk until the age of 12. But at the age of 20, she completed second Olympics and she broke the world record. And also she won 3 gold medals too. Okay, so she is associated with athletics. Next is Tiger Woods. So which sport he is associated with? He is associated with golf sport. Okay, so Tiger Woods, he is an American professional golfer. So what is golfer here? Golfer means a person who plays golf. Okay, so which sport does he play? He plays golf. Okay, so he is an American professional golfer, and also he broke numerous means many golf records, and also he is considered to be one of the greatest golfer of the history. So now we will proceed to next question. Next is Garry Kasparov. Garry Kasparov, he is associated with chess. He is associated with chess. So Garry Kasparov of Russia, means he belonged to Russia. Garry Kasparov of Russia was the #1 chess player of his time. Not only this, at the age of 22, he became an professional. Plus the world youngest chess champion. Next is Nadia Comaneci. Nadia Comaneci, she is associated with gymnastics. Okay, so in 1976, this year, she became first gymnast. What is gymnast? The person or one who participate in the sports of gymnastics. So in 1976, Nadia Comaneci won 3 gold medal, a bronze medal and a silver medal, bronze or a silver medal in Olympic event. And in 1980, she won 2 gold medal and 2 silver medal in gymnastics. Next is Chris Evert. Chris Evert is associated with tennis. Okay, and Chris Evert is she's an American tennis player. Okay, and also she is an American former #1 tennis player. What is former here? Former means pehle, previous. So she is an American former #1 tennis player, and she also won Grand Slam singles and 3 double titles. So what is Grand Slam singles? In tennis, Grand Slam singles. In tennis, Grand Slam single means winning 4 major championship. Means Championship of Australia, Championship of France, Championship of Britain and United States. Okay. So Chris Evert won 18 Grand Slam singles and 2 double titles. So next is Diego Maradona. Diego Maradona is associated with football. Okay, so Diego Maradona is a football player. He was a football player. And now Diego Maradona is no more. Why so? Because at the age of 60, he dies due to heart attack. So Diego Maradona is associated with football. Is Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson is associated with boxing. He is associated with boxing. And Mike Tyson is an American boxer player. He is an American boxer player. And also he is considered to be one of the best heavyweight boxer of all the time. And also he is known by other name also. So nickname of Mike Tyson are Kid Mike and Iron Dynamite. Next is Garfield Sobers. He is associated with cricket. He is associated with cricket. He is also called by the name Gary. He is also called by the name Gary. And Garfield Sobers is one of the finest. He is considered to be the one of the finest cricket player in the history. But at the age of 60, he taken his retirement. Retirement means withdrawal from the services. From the service. Next is Sergei Bubka. Sergei Bubka, he is associated with pole vault. So what is pole vault? Pole vault means pole jumping. It's basically a sport competition. It's a sport competition in which athlete jump over the high bar or a pole. As you can see in this picture, an athlete jump over the high bar or high pole. So it's a sports competition. So Sergei Bubka is associated with pole vault. He is one of the famous pole vault in the history. And also Sergei Bubka successfully broke the world record. He successfully broke the world record of men's pole vault. How many times? 35 times. Okay. So next is Ayrton Senna. Ayrton Senna is associated with F1 racing. Okay, he is associated with F1 racing. Ayrton Senna was a Brazilian racing driver and also he won the F1 World's Driver Champion. So what is F1 here? F1 means Formula 1. Formula 1 racing means it's an international auto racing sport. Okay, so Ayrton Senna is associated with F1 racing. So in today's lesson, what we have discussed some of the famous sports person.